Hello everyone. Today we will see multiplication of any small numbers using dots. Actually, this method of multiplication using dots I will not prefer to do regularly because it is very lengthy. But still, just for fun, we can see this method because I have uploaded the previous few videos on division by dots, and it was really nice to divide using dots, which reduces work sometimes and sometimes just increases the work. But still, for multiplication there was not such video using dots, but there is video using line. You can see, if we have 32 into 25, we can multiply this using line very easily. First we will draw three lines because of 32 first digit is 3, so three lines. I should draw longer lines. Okay, and then next digit is 2, so I will draw two lines. Then for second number we will draw lines in opposite direction, like this is diagonally downwards, so it will be diagonally upwards. Next lines for next number. Okay, next number is 25, so the first digit is 2, so first two lines we will draw here, and after giving some gap we will draw five lines. One, two, three, 4 and 5. So here we have 32 and 25 in form of lines. Now we will make vertical groups. So the first group we can make here, the second group we can make here, and the third group is there already. Because of two lines we have created three groups. So in the first group, let me just scroll this down. Where is my cursor? What? Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, so in the leftmost group, we have six dots. Then in the middle group, we have 19 dots. 19 dots in middle group and 10 dots in rightmost group. So to write the product of this number, what we will do, we will take the rightmost number first, write it rightmost digit. The remaining digits we will add to next number. So 1 is remaining, so add 1, so that we will get here 20. 19 plus 1 is 20. If you don't know, it is correct. And here again we will write 0, the rightmost digit of that number, and then 2 is remaining, so that 2 we will add to next number. So again, if you don't know, 6 plus 2 is 8. So we will write here 8. So 32 into 25 is 800. Easy method, right? Actually, this will be easy for larger numbers. Larger numbers, it will be very easy. If you are just bored and don't want to say the tables, even the tables of one digit numbers, if you don't want to say, this method will be useful for you. Then there is one more method which is more lengthy than this. Let's take same example, 32 into 25. And now, actually this method I'm not sure whether any one of you have seen this, because one person asked me that can we multiply using dots. So I thought, yes, there can be this method. So we have here three dots below 3, two dots below 2, two dots below 2, and five dots below 5. Okay, then we will make groups of these dots only for second number, not for first number. For second number we will make these groups. And now just count how many digits we have in total. So 32 have two digits, in that 2 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. This also we should write for this method at least. Then we have here ones place, here tens place. If there are more places, we will do that for that also. Okay, then we have here four columns. Why four columns? Because we have in total four digits. This simple logic. Not necessarily always we will use all the four columns. Sometimes one or two columns will be empty, the beginning one or two, but still we will draw all the columns. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to take these groups. See what we have in the first number. We have here separate dots, and here we have for the second number we have groups. So we have to uh, connect. We have to connect each group to each dot. Now, how to connect? Not by line, but by repetition on this side. So for the first dot here, we will give five dots or the group of five dots in the units place and the group of two dots in the tens place. Okay, so this dot is done. For this dot, it is done. Now you may ask why I have given here only. Why not five dots here and two dots here? Because we have these two in these two in units place. That's why we didn't put that in next columns. Okay. The next time, if there is such case, that we will see. Then we have again this 5 dots and 2 dots group of 25 for this second dot in the same column. So again we will put 5 dots in the unit place and 2 dots in the tens place. So everything is done for this group now. We have to connect this to all dots in second column now. But remember second column is in tens place. So we have to shift all the dots one column to left side. Okay, so again we will put a group of 5 dots and group of 2 dots three times, but to one column left side. So group of 5 should be here: 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and group of 2 should be one column to left side: 1 2 1 2 1 2. Because there were three dots here, so we put that groups three times. So if this dot is not visible, I want to just make it dark. Okay, instead of dots actually I have used here small circles, which is cheating, but still it's fine. Now everything is over. For all dots we have arranged all groups. So what we can do, we can just count how many dots are there. So here we have 10 dots, here we have 19 dots, here we have 6 dots. This similar case which we had previously, you can see 6, 19 and 10. 6, 19 and 10. The same case. Oh, okay, the same case. Just here we used dots, there we used lines. Now we have to take the rightmost digit. Then this remaining digits we will add here. So 19 plus 1 is I think 20. And then we will again take the rightmost digit, which is 0. And this 2 we will add here. And according to me, 6 plus 2 is 8. So we have here 800. So we can say 32 into 25 is 800. And you can see how short this method is, how simple it is, right? Very short, very simple, very time taking actually. So we will not prefer this method for regular work, but we will just do this for fun. If you got bored sometimes, I know some of you can say if we get bored we will not do maths, but this is for those who like maths. And if you don't like maths, you can like afterwards. But for that you have to watch my all videos. So watch my all videos, like all videos, so you can start liking maths. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye everyone.